Welcome to this session of breathwork practice, description for that. Before we begin, remember that this method should never be practiced in a potentially dangerous environment like driving or swimming or near water. Also, if you're pregnant or have a serious medical condition, consult a healthcare professional before trying this method. So let's begin in a comfortable sitting or lying position. Before we start with the Wim Hof method breathwork, let's take a moment to center ourselves. Close your eyes. Notice your breath. Don't try to change anything. Just notice it. Feel the air entering your nostrils. Feel your chest and belly rise and fall. This is your life force, your rhythm. While keeping your awareness of your breathing, tune in on your emotional state. How do you really feel right now? If you have difficulties mapping your emotion, try to rate your energy level from 1 to 10. And is your energy state feeling good or bad? If your energy level is high and bad, like when you are furious or anxious, keep the upcoming Wim Hof breathwork fairly calm and slow, focusing on relaxing your exhale. If you feel low on energy that doesn't feel good, like when you're exhausted or sad, do the Wim Hof method breathing a little more vigorously. Remember, in both cases, you inhale fully and deeply. You just change the tone and tempo. Now, let's start with our first round. Fill your lungs completely. Breathe in deeply, letting your abdomen and chest rise. Now gently exhale without forcing the air out. Feel how each inhale expands your torso to all sides like a cylinder. Feel your belly expanding to all sides simultaneously with the expansion of your ribcage, chest, and clavicles. Breathe fully but gently while keeping your awareness on your torso and its movement. With every exhale, let go of the excessive tension you might feel during the session. Take your last deep inhale, exhale, and hold your breath. During this breath hold, let's do a body scan, starting at the top of your torso. Fluidly move your awareness down your chest and ribcage. Be aware of any sensations, warmth, coolness, tension, or relaxation. Whenever you find a part that has tension in it, let it go, becoming more with doing less. Move your awareness down your solar plexus, obliques, lower belly, and back to the obliques and solar plexus. Let your awareness circle around, like massaging your abdomen with saturated awareness. If you have difficulties sensing a particular region in your body, spend a little more time there. Take a deep inhale. Hold it for 15 seconds. And let go. Gonna start with the second round. Remember to breathe deeply and exhale gently. Don't force the air out. Relax your diaphragm and let the air escape your lungs. This takes a little practice, but having practiced body awareness before should make it easier. During this round, ensure each inhale is active and each exhale is passive. Continue this way and stay sensitive to how your breathing feels. If you feel a tingling in the body or lightheaded, that's okay, and it is an effect of deep breathing. Remember that you are in control. You can slow down your breathing whenever the effect of it feels too intense or overwhelming. Let's continue this way. Take the last inhale. Let the air go and hold your breath. During this hold, shift your attention to your hips and glutes and feel the weight flowing into the floor. From here, move your awareness up your spine, vertebra by vertebra. Pay attention to blockages and tension as you move up your lumbar spine. Release them and let your body melt with your surrounding. Now move up your thoracic spine. Feel and saturate your upper back and scapula with awareness. Move along your cervical spine and sense your whole neck area. Saturate it with a subtle awareness and let go of all excessive tension. Repeat this process until you need to inhale. Take a deep inhale. Hold it for 15. And let go. Let's move to the third round. In this round, let your breaths be even deeper. Let the breath originate from the bottom of your belly, all the way to the top of your chest. Imagine your torso as a cylinder and let it expand to all sides as you inhale. So the belly, ribcage, chest and clavicles should move simultaneously, and feel your inhale surrounding your whole torso. Let go of your breath by relaxing your body and diaphragm and follow right into your next inhale without a pause. Now take your last inhale. Let go and hold your breath. This time, bring your attention to your shoulders and arms. Notice any sensations and relax any areas of tension. Feel your shoulders resting and get aware of them with as much awareness as you can. Saturate them with this awareness. Travel down your arms. Feel your biceps, triceps, and then your elbows. Now travel down your lower arms, through your wrists and hands. Now move your attention into your thumb. Feel them with as much detail as possible. Can you feel the pulse there? Now move into your index finger and do the same thing. Now your middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. Travel back into your palms and back up your arms into your shoulders. Repeat the process while you still hold your breath, moving back and forth your arms and saturate them with awareness.
Take a deep inhale. Hold it. And let go.
In this round, try to make each breath smoother and more fluid. Seamless transition between inhales and exhales while keeping the saturated but subtle awareness of your torso and arms present the whole time.
Now take your last inhale and let go and hold.
Let go of your breath and hold your breath when the air pressure in your lungs is the same as your surrounding, creating an equilibrium. You don't want to create an under pressure by completely emptying your lungs. During this hold, shift your focus to your head. Feel the sensation at the back of your head and ears and move up to your crown. Now travel down to your forehead and your temples. Saturate all the parts with awareness and move it fluidly along these parts. Now move your awareness to your eyes and try to feel your eye sockets where your eyes are resting in. Now travel to your nose, to your cheeks, down to your lips and jaw. Feel your facial muscles. Now put a tiny smile on your lips and carefully explore if this changes something in you. Maybe a lift in emotional weight or a relaxation in other body parts. Whatever you observe is yours to take.
Take a full inhale. Hold it. And let go.
Come back to your regular breathing pattern. Take a few moments to observe how you feel compared to when you started. Don't just vaguely feel the changes and jump right into your life again. Try to thoroughly feel changes in color, intensity, and saturation of your emotions. How is the texture of your thoughts now? Do you sit or lie differently than when you started? How long does your spine feel, or your arms? Does your left and right arm feel the same weight? Look at all the familiar places, but also the unfamiliar ones. Remember, what you observe belongs to you. What you don't observe is not yours to take, even if there are some temporary changes now. Now take a silent and short walk and feel if there are any changes there. Thank you for joining me in this journey through breath and body. The Wim Hof method isn't just about breathwork, it's about connecting to yourself deeply. Remember to always listen to your body and respect its boundaries. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep breathing. Thank you.